First, for personal development, we must understand the law of the seasons and the lesson of the seasons, which prompted that first book, the first book of mine, Seasons of Life. Here's the phrase: life and business is like the changing seasons. Frank Sinatra used to sing, life is like the seasons. Next phrase: you cannot change the seasons, but you can change yourself. The seasons are set. As soon as we arrive on this spinning planet headed somewhere, that's the question to ask. What is the setup? First, so I can survive. Second, so I can succeed. So one of the first things to do is to learn the rhythm of the seasons. The rhythm of night and day. Day follows night. Night follows day. Opportunity follows difficulty. Difficulty follows opportunity. Recession follows expansion. Regularly. Expansion follows recession. Sadness follows joy. Joy follows sadness. That's called the rhythm of life. So in the seasons now, make these notes. First, learn to handle the winters. Hopefully each winter we get stronger by the process of the experience of the past winters, learning the lessons of the past to apply to the present. In the winter you have to hang on. In the winter you have to endure. That's part of the rhythm of life. And there's all kinds of winters. Physical winters and personal winters and political winters. Communism cast a long shadow on 1/3 of the world in that long winter of despotism. About 75, 80 years it lasted. Political winters, social winters, spiritual winters, personal winters, when things don't work well. Barbra Streisand sings, it used to be so natural to talk about forever, but used to be's don't count anymore. They just lay on the floor till we sweep them away. You don't sing me love songs. You don't say you need me. And you don't bring me flowers anymore. A song of winter. But we're all acquainted with those experiences. But here's the key. You must just hang on in the winter. Make the note. It doesn't last forever. Some winters seem longer than others. Some winters seem tougher than others. Some winters are more critical and crucial than others. But here's the note. They will pass. The night can only be a few hours. As far as we know, there's never been a double night. And the whole key to this is, surely you can make it just a few hours. Hang on. Whether it's playing a game or whether it's an enterprise, the winters do come. Mickey Mantle, my hero back in those days of the Yankees. Wow. He used to get in the batting slump. It was tragic to watch. This is the home run king. This is the fastest man in baseball. This is one of the most accomplished players ever to play the game. But he used to have these terrible slumps when it seemed like he couldn't get a hit or he couldn't get very many and he couldn't hit home runs. And someone asked him one time, what do you start changing? He said, I don't change anything. He said, what do you do? He said, I wait till it's over. Right? You just keep swinging and you just keep hanging in there until finally it passes. Maybe you need a little touch of refinement. But for the most part, here's what you have to do. Endure. Because the winter finally passes and the night finally fades away and the daylight comes and the shadows flee away. So the winters we just have to handle.